Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna.
What's up, guys? I'm here at Hobby Lobby checking these out. I haven't been here in a bit, so let's take a look at what they have. Ooh, this one's cool. This 1970 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. This thing is sweet. Definitely taking that one. Let's take a look at this one here. Ooh, nice. 1969 Chevrolet Copo Camaro. Nice. This one's really cool. Definitely taking that one as well. And let's see, what do they have here? They have the 1956 Ford F100 tow truck with the Texaco decals. Not bad. Not bad, but I think I'm gonna pass for now. This one was here last time I was here. This is the 1995 Ford Escort RS Cosworth with the STP decal. It's pretty cool. Let's see. Studebaker was here last time. This one was here last time as well. This one's really nice. This nice black enamel. Check out the different sponsor decals it has. Pretty cool. Let's see. Here they have some Armor All accessories. And BF Goodrich. And here they have the M&M oil accessories. Pretty cool. Let's see. Here are some more BF Goodrich accessories. So let's put these back. They have this 1976 Volkswagen Golf MK1. This was here last time. So let's take a look at this one here. They have the 1994 Ford Escort RS Cosworth. Pretty cool. But I'm gonna pass for now. Here they have the 1971 Jeep CJ5 Renegade with the surfboard. This is from the Hobby Shop series. Pretty cool. There's another one right there. Let's see. This one's pretty cool. 1977 Volkswagen Rabbit in a nice royal blue. Looks like it has an orange interior. Check this one out, guys. This one is a 1975 Volkswagen Golf MK1 Group 2 number 101 in a nice orange. This is a very nice color, guys. Really digging the green interior. It's a one-seater. Pretty cool. It's got the number 101 on the doors. The only thing is that the tires are too skinny, but doesn't look too bad. So this is a maybe. I'm going to set it aside for now. So in the Johnny Lightning, they have this 1972 Chevy Vega Panel Express. Not bad. There's another one right there. And here they have some Johnny Lightning tanks. Don't care for those. Here's another 1974 Volkswagen Golf MK1. Pretty cool. And here's another one. Let's see, what do we have over here? We have some green light heavy duty trucks. Check this one out. This is the 2019 Step Van. So this one represents the Georgia State Patrol Department. So pretty cool. So this is the 2013 International Durastar Ambulance. Pretty cool. Too bad they don't have the 40% coupon anymore. That's a bummer. In Auto World, they have this cool Ford F-150 XLT Sport truck in a nice silver color. This one's pretty cool. Nice black interior. Very nice. And over here they have the Dodge Stealth. It's a 1991 model in a nice blue color. Let's see. So here they have the Christine from Johnny Lightning. Very cool. The price tag is not very cool, $17.99. So there's another one. It's cool casting, but I'm gonna pass. And here's another Johnny Lightning, Halls and Haulers. Check this one out. So this one's pretty cool. This is a Ford truck. Very nice. Let's see what they have up here. So more Johnny Lightning. This is the 1971 Dodge Charger Super Bee in a nice purple. And there's another one right there. And over here we have 3 of these. The 1969 Pontiac GTO in green. You could customize the wheels to your liking, so not bad. Here they have some M2s. They have this nice 1956 Ford truck, and they have the 1985 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z with the Fanta decals. Not bad. These are really cool. This is a pair of the 1941 Wheelies coupe gassers. These are very cool, man. They have the Holly decals. I like that white one more than the gold one. Pretty cool. Let's see. They have the 1944 Jeep MBs. Let's see. Here they have some Just Trucks from Jada Toys. Alright, let me put this one back. So they have some of these game piece castings as well. I've seen these at Target. This is a 2010 Dodge Challenger. Okay. So that's it for that. Let me put this back over here. And check this one out, guys. This one's really cool. This is the 2018 International Workstar Tanker Truck with the Unical 76 decals. Very nice. And check this one out. And this one was here last time. 2019 Chevrolet Silverado in the small cargo trailer with a shell decals. Not bad. This one is very cool, man. I really dig this one. 2019 Ford F-350 Lariat and the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach 1 with the enclosed car hauler. This one also has the shell decals. Pretty cool. Not digging the price tag very much. $21.99. That's the only thing that sucks about that, but oh well. Here we have the 2018 Ram ProMaster UPS delivery truck. This is a green light model, so pretty cool. Let's see. Here they have the 2017 Ram ProMaster, and this one represents the Washington DC Metropolitan Police Department. Very cool. And check this one out. 2018 Ram ProMaster with the Mopar custom shop decals. Pretty cool. And let's see what they have over here. This is a 1965 Dodge D100 with the Conoco decals. Pretty cool. I really like the color scheme, white and red. Pretty cool. And over here we have the 1979 Ford LTD sedan. Not bad. Check out this van, guys. This is the 1987 GMC Vendura 2500 with a Unical 76 decals. This one is pretty cool. Let's see. We have some haulers. Here we have the 1971 Chevy Corvette. And we have some heavy duty trucks here. Here we have the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD, and there's another one. And we have this 1983 Ford LTD Crown Victoria from the X-Files. Down here we have a couple of these M2. This is the Dodge Super Bee 383, and there's a couple of them. So pretty cool. You could customize the wheels. And so this is a Ford Coupe 1932. Really dig the color scheme. It comes in a nice silver with a candy apple red. Pretty cool. Very cool. Here's another coupe in a yellow. Well, looks like this is going to be my haul for today, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next store.
Say